In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional 1xBet account. This is very easy. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this. To create your 1xBet account, here's exactly what you need to do. First, open your 1xBet account and click on Registration. You'll see four options, but choose the third option, which says By Email. Next, fill in your details. Enter your surname and first name. Select your country, region, and city. Enter your date of birth. Choose your local currency. Enter your phone number and a valid email address. Create a strong password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least 3 different types of characters. Now, a very important step. When you reach the promo code section, type BUTV. Using this promo code will give you up to a 200% bonus on your first deposit. For example, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive an extra $4,000 as a bonus, which you can use to start betting. Once you've filled in all the details correctly, check the 3 boxes and then click on Register. After your details are verified, your 1xBet account will be created immediately. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this.